Hello guys, good evening. This is Kuya Mike TV at samahan nyo na naman ako na sagutan itong number 220. Simulan na natin ang tanong. Usinan guguro palgo yachido pamnida. In English guys, they sell both meat and vegetable at the blank. Yan. Ulitin natin tanong Hisunun gokido palgo yachido pamnida. In English, the sell both meat and vegetable at the blank. Yan. Ito yung apat na pamimilian. Itong si Yakguk. Si Yakguk guys, in English niya is pharmacy. Number 2. Ito naman si Mokyuktang.